My name is Lindsay Lawlor. This is the Electric Giraffe project. He's going on about 19 years old now. Originally, it was just built to go to Burning Man and just walk around and play music and just be a giant chunk of art that looked like a robot animal. From there, though, the attraction was immediate. I started getting requests from technology shows all up and down the coast of California. And then we heard about Maker Faire, and they were like, please bring the giraffe. That was 2006. About that time, I met a programmer, and we started talking about adding intelligence to the giraffe. He wrote a computer program for me, and we went out and looking for sponsors. I approached Microchip, and Microchip was immediately welcoming. They were complete fans of the idea. They had been to Maker Faire before, I believe, and they had seen the giraffe, and they were really forthcoming. They gave me their little programming kits and a whole stack of PIC-18s. So the whole giraffe at this time runs on the good old-fashioned 40-pin PIC-18s. It'll be really nice to get with Microchip again and get the next set of development tools. And it's just absolutely amazing that he's lasted this long. As far as I'm concerned, we're the longest running project at Maker Faire. I don't think any other Maker Faire project has lasted as long as ours. I had no idea what was going to happen when I built this. I thought it was just going to sit in the garage for a year each time. But as soon as I built it, just amazing amounts of interest happened. And so that's one of my messages to the kids and stuff like that, is that you have no idea where you will go, the places your projects will take you. I am just now holding on to the giraffe's tail, and he's taking me to wonderment and adventure and fun that I could have never imagined.